Let's try this crunchy and very tasty toast. It's quick and easy to prepare. Take a half cup chopped mixed bell peppers, a half cup finely chopped onion, a half cup boiled sweet corn, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, a half teaspoon oregano, a half teaspoon peri seasoning, a quarter tsp crushed black pepper, a half teaspoon chaat masala optional, 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Salt to taste. Note: mozzarella also has salt. Mix well. Take bread slices. Apply butter optional. Put the butter side down on stand. Spread the mixture. Place the mixture-filled bread slice. Set for 3 to 5 minutes at 205 degrees C. This will be ready in 3 to 5 minutes. Crunchy and mouth-watering, ready to serve. Isn't it easy and bread toast recipe? Please feel free to subscribe my channel.